What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Luna Classic update. In this video we'll talk about Luna Classic, we'll talk about what happened yesterday with the big crash. Most of you will probably wonder what's going on. And we'll talk about what I expect now, because we're kind of in a tough situation. Luna Classic itself was not doing a lot, we were just consolidating. We were still bullish, right now you could even still argue we're bullish. But we were not doing a lot. And then yesterday what happened, just to kind of get into it, is the Department of Justice from the US announced a press conference about some sort of a legal action, legal enforcement about cryptocurrency, which sent shocks throughout the markets. A lot of cryptos went down, including Luna Classic. That is what happened. We had a bearish breakout and we never really recovered, all right? Even though the press conference itself was not significant, we had a bearish breakout and confirmation through 17,000. And what's happening right now is that we broke below this 200 EMA, this gold line, and we took a break retest in the last couple of hours, which is 100% bearish, and it's not amazing. Through those bearish fundamentals and also through the bearish technical confirmations, we kind of have to see what happens. And what I also wanted to do is I wanted to check out some things regarding TERRA Classic. All right, so we know the fundamentals in the market are not bullish. There's some other things going on as well, but if you want to know more about that, I think this video is too short. So check out the Bitcoin or the Ethereum video. But what I also wanted to do is check out some statistics regarding TERRA Classic. All right, because I think that's important because, well, obviously most of you know that a lot of things have happened regarding proposals. And a lot of the proposals of TERRA Classic have been aimed at improving the ecosystem of TERRA Classic in order for Luna Classic to become better, or at least to make the TERRA Classic blockchain a little bit better. And I wanted to see how that's going. And right now, as you can see, this is the total value locked of the TERRA Classic blockchain. And here you can see some major decentralized applications. And what you can see is that it's not doing amazing. The total value locked in September was 22 million, which is also not a lot, but it has since dropped down to 7 million. 7 million in total value locked. All right. Well, if you want to compare that to other major chains, for example, well, these are not chains, excuse me. These are dApps. But if you, for example, take a look at Solana, the total value locked is at 264 million. But even if you take a look at Aptos, it's at 50 million. TERRA 2 is at 37 million. Hedera is at 30 million. And these are not, I mean, even Doge chain is nearing TERRA Classic. So it's definitely not going great. Harmony, which had a 100 million hack, is higher than TERRA Classic. So I would say fundamentally TERRA Classic is not doing amazing as well. I've always been opposed to these proposals trying to revive the TERRA Classic blockchain. I think the only way you can do that is if you bring Luna Classic to normal prices by introducing burn mechanisms. But yeah, I thought it was interesting to show you. For now, the technicals, given all the fundamentals, taking them all into account, I think it's most likely that we will, after this bearish confirmation, drop down a little bit more. So I think we'll drop down to this level right here at around 15,500. We'll hold that, we'll consolidate on top of that, but then I think we'll consolidate between like 16,200 and 15,500. And then it really depends on the fundamentals. If more bearish fundamentals come in, what will happen is that we will break down below 15,500, after which we will take a break retest and drop down to 14,500. And at this point of time, even though I'm not expecting it soon, this seems like the most likely scenario. Given the fact that there's just way more bearish fundamentals that could come into play in the market than there are bullish fundamentals for Luna Classic specifically, or for the markets. So sure, if Bitcoin is actually able to get towards 22,000, Luna Classic will actually get back up to 18,000 at the very least. But the chances of that happening are just way lower than the chances of this happening, and therefore this is my most likely scenario for now. But that can change, obviously. I'll be back with more updates tomorrow in the weekend, so take a look out for that. But for now, that's my take on Luna Classic for today. So take care, thanks for watching, and bye.